Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to recover your Gmail account password. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile. Once it opens, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. This will take you to account options where you can manage your Google account. This is the starting point for recovering your password. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. Here you'll see multiple options to manage your account settings, security, and privacy. This menu is where all the recovery and security tools are located. It's important to access this to start the password reset process. Now go to the Security tab. Inside Security, scroll down to find options related to account protection and password management. This section controls your sign-in methods and recovery options. Take your time to locate the password section. Scroll down until you see Password. Tap on it, and then select Forgot Password when prompted. This starts the recovery process and lets Google verify your identity securely. It's a safe way to reset your password if you can't remember it. Once you select Forgot Password, Google will send a recovery email to your registered account. Open that email and tap the Password Reset link. Follow the instructions to set a new password and confirm it. After this, your Gmail account will be accessible again with your new password. And that's how you can quickly recover your Gmail account password on mobile. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below if you want more Gmail or Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.